mode. Recording started. Recording.
Yeah, I think that's high enough. It's resting on the jack stand. Either a screwdriver or a 10mm. I'm gonna open this little panel here. Alright, so let's get a 10mm. Right filter. S2878XL STP. Not going to run at 10,000 miles. Going to run between 5,000 and 7,000. Let's drain this oil. Get a good look around. And that's the drain plug. Let's get the drain plug first. The oil cap is already loose. That's the location of the filter. Get you right there. All right, it's loose. It's gonna pour. I think it's four and a half quarts. All right, let's speed this up. That's the best angle I can get. Where's it gonna drip at? Just let it drip slow. It's dripping into the pan. See it. Put the cap on. It's not tight. Right off. Yeah. When the engine was cold, it just I moved it really easily by hand. Heat up a little bit. I had to use some pliers. to loosen it a little bit, then I can do the rest by hand. And that's Toyota 90915 YZZN1. Let's see if I can get that on camera for you. That's the Toyota. That's the original equipment number. So these things don't have to be really tight. They just go hand tight. You don't have to use the tool. When the engine was cold, I grabbed it with my hand and just turned it, and it was loose. So, but I like to have mine on this side a little tighter than that. That's fine. And we gotta get train you a little more, and I'll get the oil ready. Alright, you know it's gonna drip forever, so you gotta seal it and torque it. That thing will drip forever. I don't have any shop towels. Well, so I got one thing left. And put it on 30. Let's cover back on. Lip right there. Let's not even more. You there. As you can see, it's barely off the ground, but lower it. was 4.5 quarts. It's 5 quarts here. This is Valvoline 016 full synthetic. About 4.5 there. Let's see. 016. Top of the line, well, top of the dot. It's between the 2 dots is at the very top of the dot. So we'll call that 4.5 quarts.